What are we doing today? We are working at the American Legion today. Got to do a back-to-back bathroom sink drain for these guys. Get them up and flowing again. Okay, we tried to run the flex shaft down there. They had the wall open up for us. Back-to-back sinks, so I'm going to send the camera down there because this is only going so far and getting stuck. So I'm thinking the pipe underneath the ground is probably rotted out. Okay, let's go down there and see what's going on with that pipe.
This right here, you might think it's cool. All it's gonna do is create more problems in your life.
Looks like that's ground right there. I don't want to push that in there and get it stuck. Does look like ground. It's rock. Looks like it's probably the end of that pipe. It's pretty deteriorated underneath there.